Welcome to beautiful Palm Beach Gardens. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert here in South Florida, and today we're stepping inside Artistry in Palm Beach, one of the most exclusive gated communities where luxury living meets modern design. Artistry isn't just a neighborhood, it is a lifestyle investment in one of the most desirable areas of Palm Beach County, and it is nearly sold out with only a few homes remaining. So if you are considering a move to South Florida and want a behind-the-scenes look at the finest new construction communities, you are in the right place. Let's take a tour and see what makes Artistry Palm Beach unlike anywhere else. So this is their Trumbull, which is a really unique model with traditional elements designed with a modern take. At an impressive 4,500 square feet under air with an extensive list of customizable options, this two-story, four-bedroom floor plan was designed to allow you to create the perfect home to fit your lifestyle. From the over-garage Casita to a master suite flex room with private balcony, the Trumbull has options to accommodate any need. Through its grand double-door glass entry, guests will be treated to a formal entry with a dining room and den on either side of the foyer. Beyond the foyer, the spacious island kitchen overlooks an expansive great room and casual dining area with plenty of space for hosting memorable gatherings of any size. The great room opens onto a large covered lanai and backyard, offering plenty of room for a pool. The second floor master suite is a private oasis offering a large walk-in closet and a luxurious spa-like master bath with multiple layout configurations. The second floor also features two secondary bedrooms, a loft, and a covered balcony, creating a second floor living area with comfort beyond compare. And residents of Artistry enjoy a private clubhouse featuring a cutting-edge fitness center with a yoga and aerobic studio, a heated resort-style pool for swimming and socializing, and Artistry Palm Beach also boasts ample green spaces, tranquil walking trails, and outdoor areas ideal for relaxation, fitness, and community events. Centrally located by I-95, Alton Town Center, the Gardens Mall, golf and local beaches, with Palm Beach International Airport being just 20 minutes away, Artistry has the last opportunity for newly built homes in the heart of Palm Beach Gardens. Thinking about making a move to Palm Beach? Whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your relocation and new construction expert, and let's find your dream home together. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of Palm Beach's most exclusive new construction communities. These luxury homes are more than just beautiful designs, they're about creating a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and privacy here in South Florida. If you're considering a move to Palm Beach and want expert guidance on securing the perfect new construction home, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My job is to simplify the process, give you insider access, and make sure you find a home that truly fits your vision. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury home tours across South Florida, and if this home feels like the right fit, all of my contact information is here. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and I will see you on the next tour.